I'm here with Amit Soni, director for Kick Jewels, Kolkata. So, sir, what new designs you have launched for this show?
We have worked on 2 3 concepts because we have recently started our in-house factory in Calcutta in Ankur Jewelry Park.
Okay.
So for that factory we have made one lightweight diamond jewelry collection in which we have ring, tops, lockets, Mangalsutra lockets and lightweight bridal necklace. And we have another category which is very famous, which is named as Kolkata jewelry,
Okay.
which is yellow gold jewelry, which is again very famous across the world. So we have also made a collection in that, and we are promoting it here, so that for both our lightweight CAD/CAM jewelry of diamonds and this plain gold jewelry, we get orders from corporates or exporters, wholesalers, and then we can manufacture the same in our factory.
That's good to know. So, about gold price, it's getting higher. So, did it affect any footfalls here?
Gold price, considering how yesterday went, uh, gold price effect was not much visible because we had very good footfall and response. Gold price had very good footfall and response. However, surely there is impact when we see customers are trying to reduce their average weight of product. Suppose someone was buying a necklace set for 50 grams, now he is trying to see if he can get in 45 grams. The other thing is, some customers are asking if the same product can be made in a lower purity, like say 22 carat, then same product if they can get in 18 carat. So that will again reduce the pricing.
That's true. So, about JGS, so
Yeah.
why people should attend this show?
JGS, people should attend because it is organized by Gem and Jewelry Domestic Council, and our domestic council is very active when it comes to promotion of domestic trade.
Not only in
Also,
India, abroad.
yeah, so
Yeah,
we
that's
have
true.
even done road shows in Dubai as well. So GJC is working hard for the domestic jewelry industry. That is one reason. Apart from that, the venue is very good which they have selected for the show, and they have given so much of respect and so much of facilities for both the exhibitors and visitors, including their entry pass system. Their entry system has also been smoothened. उसके अलावा they have ensured that all the variety of exhibitors are there, so the visitor who is coming, he gets all the variety at one place. They have ensured that, and since 2022 it is only getting bigger and better in terms of both exhibitor and visitor quality and quantity.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. So, any message for fellow exhibitors, or any visitors who are like here?
So for my fellow exhibitors, I have one thing to say, which is like best of luck, because everyone has put in their heart and soul when they come to exhibit. Apart from the money they invest for the stalls, they have to put in all their energy and effort in the design, in connecting to their customers and identifying prospects here. And for the visitors, I would definitely say that they are getting the latest in the industry in the exhibition, and they should take full benefit. Price going up is definitely a concern. However, they should do their selections and get the detail of the product, so that as soon as they find the market has absorbed the price increase effect, they can do increase their purchases and get the benefit of the latest product which they are seeing here.
Very well answered. Thanks a lot, sir, for your time.
Thank
So,
you.
received what I expected.
Yeah.
So, thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day.